Welcome back to How Logical. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to block someone on Skype. You can block a contact to prevent them from calling you, sending you instant messages, and seeing your state in Skype. In order to do so, keep watching the video till the end. If you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates from us. Start by tapping open Skype application from your app list. Once you're in, tap on the contact you want to block. To do so, tap on the Contacts button at the bottom right corner. Go to My Contacts at the upper left hand side and tap on the contact you want to block. Once you do that, tap on the name of the person at the top of the screen. Scroll all the way down until you find Block Contact in red. Tap on it, and in addition to blocking a contact, you can also choose to report abuse. This notifies Skype of spammers so that it can stop them in the early stages of their activity. To do so, enable the button and select a region for reporting the particular contact. Select it from the list, and after you're done, tap on block. Or you can simply tap on block without reporting the person as well, and just like that, the contact will be blocked on Skype. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.